Welcome to 15 acres of Kentucky farmland, where a beautifully updated farmhouse, open pasture, and peaceful water features come together, just 2 miles off I-64. This gentleman's farm offers rare accessibility without sacrificing privacy, framed by a tree-lined driveway and a creek along the rear of the property create a setting with flexibility and long-term potential. The main floor ensuite primary bedroom opens directly to an expansive deck with views across the land. The property is well suited for both agriculture and recreation. The front 5 acres are cut annually for hay, while the wooded area along the creek has seen successful deer hunting. An approximately 24 by 24 barn overlooks the back pasture, and wildlife is a regular presence throughout the property. A recent renovation converted the attached garage into a second main floor ensuite, ideal for an in-law suite, office, or guest space, with convenient access through a large mudroom. The partially finished walkout basement includes a large family room, full bath, office currently used as a bedroom, and a sizable unfinished mechanical room with additional potential. Outside, an estimated 24 by 28 detached garage pairs with an 18 by 30 above-ground saltwater pool and an extended deck, creating an excellent space for summer entertaining. Shelbyville and Frankfort are just 12 minutes away, with Louisville and Lexington within easy driving distance, making this a rare and versatile Kentucky property.